If you think you can't build a body without going to the gym, that's your biggest mistake. Every muscle in your body, whether it's your chest, shoulders, triceps, biceps, back, or legs, can be trained at home. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you today. I'll teach you 2 workouts for each muscle. First, we'll talk about your chest muscles. They're considered the most attractive muscles. Whatever clothing, every t-shirt you wear, ends up on your chest. So, the best workout for your chest would be chest dips. Now, look at how to do chest dips. Place your hands between 2 chairs, 2 benches, or any stable object, and perform the dips in this manner. This is one of the best exercises for training your lower chest. Next, we'll do wide grip push-ups. Here's how to perform them. Everyone knows how it's performed. Remember to keep your hands slightly apart, so your overall chest muscles will grow faster. Next, we'll talk about your body part, shoulder muscles. Always remember, broad shoulders always make you attractive and give your body a muscular appearance. The best workout would be pike push-ups. This is how it's performed. Pike push-ups will train your overall shoulders and give them a 3D look. Next, we'll work out the shoulder, lateral raises. Lateral raises are performed this way. You can use any weights you have at home. You can use a water bottle. You can use a brick. Just remember to apply pressure to your muscles. No matter how you apply it, whether you use dumbbells or bottles. Only weight will apply pressure to the shoulders. This is how the workout is performed. Our next body part will be our triceps. I keep saying, if you want to expand your arms, focus more on the triceps than the biceps. The best workout for triceps is tricep dips. They are performed this way. See, we've already mentioned this, on any chair, any bench. Anything stable should be there to prevent you from falling. So, you should perform tricep dips in this manner. Try to perform this workout until your triceps are completely exhausted. Our next workout will be the tricep push. This is also one of the best workouts for triceps. This method is used to perform triceps. This workout trains both the long and short heads of your triceps. So, it's great that you're able to train both heads of your triceps in one workout. The length of time you can perform this method depends on you. After this, the next workout is for our biceps, our favorite body part. Everyone loves training their biceps. But which bicep exercises can you do at home to strengthen them? The easiest and best exercise is the bicep pull. It's performed this way. It puts a lot of pressure on your biceps. To perform a bicep pull, place any rod in this manner. You can perform a bicep pull by placing a rod between a chair or a bench. Try to focus, apply pressure, and feel your bicep muscles. Only then will your biceps grow effectively. The next workout in this section is the bicep curl. Everyone knows that everyone performs them in the gym. Use weights to perform them at home. Doing bicep curls is very important for your biceps, because this is the only exercise that gives your biceps the most contraction. So perform this method, holding any heavy weight in your hand. And you have to perform the bicep exercise while feeling the bicep. Next, let's talk about the body part that makes you look broad. If you don't look broad, there's no point in building a body. For this, it's important to train your back. The broader your back, the broader your body will appear. The first exercise is for the bag, called the under table row. The table row is performed by placing the rod under a table, under a bench, or on a chair. In this exercise, we perform rowing, which also uses our back muscles and bicep muscles. However, the back is used more. Doing it this way will give you a much broader back. Our next workout is called the slow pull-up. Now, many of you who are working out at home are unable to do pull-ups properly. So, this will give you a back workout and also learn pull-ups. Stand on a chair or something and jump up and slowly come down. Jump up quickly and then slowly come down. This will not only tone your back muscles but also gradually teach you how to do pull-ups. Now let's talk about our leg workout. This will boost testosterone and strengthen your leg muscles. The first workout we'll do is forward lunges. You can also do normal lunges. Here's how to perform them. Now, if you want to make it a little harder, you can take a bag or any heavy object in your hand. You can fill the bag with books or any heavy object and perform lunges in this way. So, With this little weight on your body, it will become harder to perform, which will further train your leg muscles. Our next workout is performed in this manner. Find a sofa or any other object in the house that you can press your feet against. One thing to keep in mind is that this is a bit of a balancing exercise. It trains your leg muscles as well as your core muscles. While you'll benefit from both, you'll have some difficulty performing it. If your core isn't strong, you'll have a much harder time doing it. This can effectively train your legs. Use Shilajit along with it. It boosts your testosterone significantly. For this, you can use Nature Mania's pure Himalayan Shilajit resin. This Shilajit is extracted from the high-altitude Himalayas, making it 100% pure. Nature Mania's Shilajit contains fulvic acid, which is essential for numerous health benefits. Additionally, it contains potassium, which supports heart health and maintains electrolyte balance in your body. It also contains iron, which improves oxygenation and vitality in your blood. It also contains magnesium, which enhances your muscle and nervous system and aids in energy production. It helps relax your mind, boosting your testosterone levels. To use Nature Mania's pure Himalayan Shilajit resin, take a pea-sized amount of Shilajit from the provided teaspoon and mix it thoroughly with lukewarm water or milk and drink it. For best results, use it regularly for at least 2 months. Both men and women can use Nature Mania's Himalayan Shilajit. I'll provide the link in the description. Be sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about our bonus exercises. We've covered the main body parts, but what are the bonus exercises? For example, we've worked out our abs. The best workout for abs is the plank. If you hold this position for 5 to 10 minutes daily, doing the plank, it significantly strengthens your abs. After that, the next workout was for our forearms. There's a great workout for the forearms called the reverse grip curl. What does this do? You hold a rod or any heavy object in the reverse direction with your hands, and then perform the curl. This quickly strengthens your forearms. All the workouts I've told you about should be done on alternate days. You should perform only 1 set of each workout. Don't do more than 1 set. For each workout, if you work out today, you should take a break tomorrow. Then do it the day after. This means you have to take a break every day. Work out on alternate days. Perform 1 set, but put your heart and soul into each workout. This way, your full body workout will be complete, and your muscle growth will begin very quickly. If you'd like to see more videos like this, I've put them on the screen. Click on any video here and you'll be taken directly to this video.